respected dignitaries and ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all. So it's basically the paper is on a training process. We used to train our student to world skills training program. So I'll give a brief introduction regarding world skills training program, what world skill is exactly all about. Then I'll highlight our training process, how it is different and how it will lead us to a good result in world skills. So these are the few points we will be highlighting during the main presentations. First, coming to the brief introduction of that part. Next, please. So now the education system has been changed, or is going to be changed due to the NEP policy, right? So going to the typical classroom problems, we are now transitioning to skill-based educations, right? Skill-based educations means, example, let's say if we teach a student for 2 hours lecture that how to drive a car, so he or she will not be able to drive that car. But if you give a 5 minutes, 10 minutes demonstration, so he or she might drive for 1 kilometer at least in the plain road. So that's the skill-centric education policy, and that has already been incorporated in our university's approach, and the world skills journey is a byproduct of that. So coming to the world skills, first it's a global event, like in short form we call it the Skill Olympics. So many countries from across the world come together to participate, to compete in a friendly manner, right? So different skill sectors are there, starting from technical to non-technical to very complex like cyber security, web technology, and to be very non-technical like printing, beauty therapy, floristry, fashion design, those kind of things. So out of that, under manufacturing, there is a segment called Industry 4.0. So we took part in that skill, and 2 of our students from our university represented India in that World Skill 2022 edition. So this edition was scattered. Actually, the World Skill events happen in a single country, in a single city, like we have our World Cups and Olympics like this. But due to COVID and all these things, it was shifted from Shanghai to the different cities at the end moment. So this time, Industry 4.0 was in Stuttgart, Germany, from October last year, October 4 to 10. So coming to the fourth industrial revolution, so all of you know, I will not highlight that part. Simply we are manufacturing, like process is being more automated, more smart, more connected. Like initially, if you want to switch on the AC, so we have to go there, we have to switch on the AC from that switch. Next, the remote comes to picture. Next, now through IoT, through voice command, while we are driving from office to home, I can give a voice command and my AC will be on and it will be ready by the moment I reach my room. Okay. So that is what called IoT, interconnectivity of devices. Okay. It's another example of a fridge. So if I want to lock the ice chamber of my fridge for my kids so that they can't steal the chocolates, so I can do that using my mobile phone here. But for that, the fridge need to be connected to the internet. So that it's all about the connectivity, and obviously when the connectivity is there, we need security for that. Maybe for my fridge, the security is not a concern, but when we access a nuclear power plant, when we are working with a steel plant, so security is a must feature there. So Industry 4.0 comprises of many elements, and few of them are IoT, cyber security, cloud computing, and all of those things. So passion to profession, when students pursue BTech engineering, at the end they need a core job or need a software job which will give a 6-figure digit salary, and they are happy with that. Few students will come across, they want to pursue the education to a passion, like those who are participating in skill or those who are doing some extra kind of curricular activities regarding their courses. So world skill is one of them. So we prepared our student with a pool of students. We choose 2, 3 or 2, 4 groups who are very passionate about their Industry 4.0 skill journey and want to lead the manufacturing sector to the next level. So the process starts from a zonal level, like different institutes conducted the test, and after that there is some regional level, then the state level, then the regional level, and at the end there is the national level. So few challenges are there during preparation. So one was long-term commitment challenge, because it's completely extra for a student apart from its academics. Why he or she will invest time? Because when you prepare something extra, you need extra time. If you want just a BTech certificate or your graduation certificate, then you spend that much time. When you want a BTech certificate as well as a startup company, so you need to start investing your time there. So that was the first challenge we came across. Next is a new skill, because Industry 4.0 was happening for the very first time in 2022. Before that, some other skills were there, and it's a like we can see the 3.0, industry 3.0, or the third revolution of industry. It was in the form of mechatronics. Now it gets changed. Mechatronics was there. Now the new skill added was industry 4.0. So as it was the first time, like when a new chapter is added to the curriculum, so we don't find previous year question papers, we don't find previous year notes, we don't find seniors who can guide you in this paper. Okay, you learn theory part more, you learn problematic statements more. So that was the problematic challenge. We didn't have any test projects of past years, we didn't have experience of the ex-competitors, ex-mentors. So it was a quite challenging job to start with. So, one step back please. The last one is the manufacturing education system, execution systems here. So that's what sir explained just before 1 hour, that supply chain management. So through MES, you can completely customize your product, you can place the order and up to what stage your order has been finalized, if you want to change, so like that. Let's take a simple example. If you want to, if you place an order for a mobile, after 3 days you change your mind, no, I want the backside cover to be red, not green. So if the job has not been manufactured, so we can directly give the command will reach the server, robot will click the green product instead of the red product. So this is a complete connectivity system. If it is not, you will call to the customer care, they will reject the order. So it's not possible if the devices are not interconnected. Performance pressure was obviously there because after state level, after national level, it's about India. It's not about individual students, individual organizations. At the stage, you will be identified by the country name. So Team India performed well, Team India didn't perform well. So obviously it was a pressure for that. Team synergy and time management. It is very important because it was a team event. Few skills are there, those were individual events, and few skills are there, those are two members will compete as a single team. So whenever there is a team, definitely misunderstandings will be there. You will argue over the things, okay, this should be this, that way, other will say no, this way. So we need to get it practiced so that when you come to the real field, so the eye contact, through eye contact you will be, someone is doing something, she needs a help. So by looking at the partner, you will be able to fix that error or you can help like that. So that was the most difficult thing in the beginning. To start with the 4.0 trainings, so as industry 4.0, so first we have to understand how industry 3.0 works, then we will take to the next level, that is the 4.0. So in 3.0, we have a basic manufacturing systems, we have motors, we have pneumatics, electro-pneumatics, simple electromechanical systems. So we started training from there. So next we move to the PLC, which is the main controller used in automation process, PLC, DCS, SCADA, HMI. So we started training using those things. So we use different brand of PLC because in WorldSkill we had to prepare with 2-3 PLCs. So like that, so please next. Different topics and different type of devices, so that when they get a new device at the WorldSkill, so they will be able to face and able to program that things. We added these features like in RFID, MySQL for data communication, for cloud storage, Node-RED for data communications, MQTT servers, mail servers for all those things. So one of our competitors performing a task on the MT station. And we have networking called, we use Shira software. These are the training kits we use during our training purpose. This kit is from Boss Rexel, India. It's a smaller version of that, which can accommodate all the features of Industry 4.0 like IoT, cyber security, cloud, and all these things. We arrange some specialist trainings because in WorldSkill you have to be aligned with the exact infrastructure you will get. So for that we didn't have that. We went to Singapore for a training. We attended a boot camp in Germany before the competitions to sharpen our knowledge, our skills. Along with the technical knowledge, we need discipline, we need time management, we need stress management. So the additional things are also required. So regular testing, like we do class test regularly in our class. Similarly, we have to evaluate them with the exact aligned test project of our skills, 4 hour, 8 hours task. So they should stand for 8 hours, 2 hours in a phase and perform the task. So few achievements. So two students performed screening, starting from screening round to the next level, then state level, regional, and finally in India skills, they won the gold medal. And they they were elected to present in the world skill standard from India. So this is around 674 points we got in a 700 scale. So this was the competitor. I was the expert in that Industry 4.0 skill from India in that 2022 edition. So with this, we couldn't success properly in the world skill as it was for the first time. This time we are planning for 2024, and the faults we have analyzed, and accordingly we are developing the new. Thank you. Any questions, please?
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. But looking there in review, and we support the training program.
The training approach. The training approach will be used for that world skill preparations.
And who are the training here?
Sorry, sir?
Whom do you accept the training?
So two of our competitors, Manas and Yasika, they were sorry.
Who are the trainee?
Trainee.
Trainee. To whom you
Who
are
are
referring?
I'm telling what the two students were there, sir. Manas and Yasika, they were the trainees for this.
Like having set up training,
Okay, except.
training program,
So how many batches?
Okay,
How many
I
numbers?
understood, sir. So actually, this has been integrated to the curriculum. So generally, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth.
You have only BTech program?
Yes, sir. For BTech students, third, fourth, and fifth, sixth semesters. In 4 semesters, they will undergo a training of 120 hours of training on this Industry 4.0 aspects.
To prepare them for the skill competition.
Yes, sir. So out of those students, those who will be interested and will be performed well.
The process of selection.
What is the? So we conduct some tests, like what are the topics we have shown here. So we conduct some tests on that, and multiple tests, like 3 to 5 tests were performed, and based on that we select a group of students. Then from our institute we select like that. Then the state government organize the competition, then regional, and so on, sir.
What I think the aspirations of engineering students, BTech students, and tech students are very different from these skilling techniques. Do you provide anything, there, like something, these are operation based training, manufacturing based training, which are mostly required for support people.
No, sir. Actually, the operation will be required for the full people, but there will be someone who will design the complete system. So we train them from that aspect, sir, not to just to operate. Let's say example, we have an existing system. Let's say robot is moving in X and Y axis. So we need to access that data through cloud, through another system. So they are trained to program that one. Sir. Just sorry, sir. Sir, could you go to that note? No, sir. They will not operate only. They were programmed to do that things. So they will not. They are just not like operators. They are the engineers who will completely design the system, sir. Or will upgrade if you have an. Actually, in world scale, they had a task that they will have an existing 3.0 system, and their objective was to upgrade to the next level, like to make it a 4.0 Industry 4.0 enabled system by integrating this IoT.
You must be aware of design thinking.
Yes, sir.
You must be aware of design thinking.
Yes, sir.
Is there any component of design thinking out here?
No, sir.
Okay, so from to the
Any questions from the audience? You would like to answer it?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Achiranshu and Saubhagya Ranjan Behra for your presentation. Now I would be going out for the second presentation. The second presentation is from Prajakta. May I request Prajakta to come up and give her presentation.
afternoon everyone. I am Prajakta Chandrakant Kandarkar and I am going to present a paper on the system model of sustainability 4.0 in managing triple bottom line. So this will be the content of my presentations. Yeah. So coming to the first part, that is introduction part. So the rate of increasing demand for product and their rapid consumption rate have created a detrimental effect on both in environment and society. To satisfy increasing demand, the company started to change its mode of operations. In this process, the management does not consider its long-lasting effect on environment and society. So this resulted into severe mishaps like the Bombay Doctrine explosions took the car caught in cargo, then the Bhubaneswar tragedy took the leakage of 40 tons of methyl acetate gases. So this demanded management to retrain and reconsider their mode of operations. So later efforts are made to make supply chain more environmental friendly by considering its impact on economic and social dimensions. This evaluation leads to the development of new supply chain and it is known as sustainable supply chain management. It brings up right side of operations into economic, social and environmental dimensions and it is known as the triple bottom line approach. So the field of sustainable supply chain management is continuously progressing in tandem with advancement in science and technology. The general government introductions of fourth industrial revolutions in 2011 has brought about the substantial changes in the functioning of supply chain network and through the incorporations of smart technology. The integration of smart technology with sustainable supply chain management gives rise to the emergence of new domain and that is known as sustainability 4.0. The sustainability 4.0 is a smart approach that combines digitalizations and sustainable supply chain management. Here in figure 4 indicates there is a noticeable rise in the amount of attention being paid in the research area of sustainability 4.0. Nowadays, consumer is more interested while its impact of manufacturing processes on environment and society. So, the implementations of smart technologies absolutely necessary, not just as a passing trend but as an ethical responsibility towards the conservation of energy. So there is need to do a thorough study on supply chain, sustainability and smart technology. So the aim of this paper is to conduct a thorough study on how smart technology contribute to the diverse innovation process in supply chain management and thereby affecting the performance of the triple bottom line. So the second part is about literature review. First, number of studies have been conducted to examine the linkage between sustainability and smart technology. So Kamra et al. Did an analysis on how smart technology influences the lean manufacturing practices. Then the Vendrami et al. Stated that Industry 4.0 acts as a catalyst for sustainability 4.0. Then the Munavalan and J. Krishnan cited that the integrations of smart technology has been found to have a positive impact on economic dimensions. Then the Kyle et al. Did an analysis and presented linkages in between economic, social and environmental sustainability that can be achieved through the incorporations of technology. Then the Bronze et al. Reveals that the integrations of smart technology in supply chains and improve sustainable practices. Then Stock et al. Evaluated the impact of Industry 4.0 on sustainable practices. Then the Gupta looked at how smart technology influences sustainable practices and found out that the integrations of smart technology improve economic dimensions of a company, which helps the organizations to improve social and environmental goals. Then the Kamra et al. Proposed a framework. The authors reveals that the incorporations of smart technology, incorporations of people and technology helps to achieve economic and environmental sustainability. Then Hasif et al. Presented a study on how smart technology enhances the sustainable performance of small medium enterprises. So the research questions that are addressed here are: what are the potential contributions of smart technology in the pursuit of economic, social and environmental sustainability? What technologies are currently being used to incorporate smart technologies? And third, in the framework of Sustainability 4.0, and what is the influence of employing smart technology on the sustainable outcome of a manufacturing company? The next is framework development. Here we have developed a framework that is mainly divided into three major domains: input domain, system integration domain, technologies. Then the system integrations domain discusses the practical applications of input domain and their interconnectedness with customer practices. In that, first it's sustainable purchasing. So IoTs are used to collect the data, and this data is used by customer to make their sustainable decisions related to sustainable purchasing. Then the next is the big data platforms. It provide information about collect and share information about the product lifespan of product and material. Then the cloud computing is used to find out repetitive data patterns which provide information about lifespans of the product. Then the next is sustainable manufacturing. IoTs are used to optimize manufacturing processes, and it also recommends energy efficient operations. Then the digital twins techniques is used to schedule manufacturing processes. Then next is sustainable logistics. Additive manufacturing plays an important role in this case. Like by using additive manufacturing, we can customize product nearer to the proximity of the customers, which significantly reduces logistic cost. And the next is use of blockchain technology. It monitors and improves the data within this logistic network. The next is sustainable marketing. It is mainly divided into three categories. First is customer focused marketing, societal marketing, and innovative marketing. In first case, IoT helps to provide green customer education. Then the second is societal marketing. It is about finding a balance in between customer requirement and other goals of the organization. Then third is innovative marketing. It is about use of smart technology for making superiority in the product and services. Then the third one, that is output. It represents the sustainable outcomes that can be achieved through the system integration process. So first one is economic systematic 4.0. So multiple approaches such as predictive analytics can be used to find out what will be the potential disruptions that may occur. So through this way, maintenance cost can be reduced. Then the next one is the sharing of information in different levels of the supply chain. It reduces waste generations. The second is optimize inventory, streamlines manufacturing operations. In this way, it directly contributes to the improvement in the revenue. Then social sustainability 4.0. The implementations of smart technology has been found to have a positive impact on the stress level experienced by the employee. Then the concept of sustainability is closely aligned with principle of recycling, reusing, and refurbishing of the product. So it creates an opportunity for a local network to create a job at local level. So in this way, it enhances socio-economic value of the society. Then the environmental sustainability 4.0, the use of smart technology has a significant strongness in mitigating harmful gases, then controlling environmental pollutions, and use of developing technologies, developing of the techniques that are environmental friendly. Then it is also possible to mitigate carbon waste generation, carbon and water footprints through real-time data analysis. The next slide is about the use practical applications of the developed framework for manufacturing firms. So here we selected healthcare product manufacturing firms. It is based in India. So the management of this company observes that there is a decline in revenue of this company following COVID-19 pandemic. So they performed a survey, and they found out that customers are more interested in purchasing an environmental friendly product. So through survey they discovered that like 80% of the customers actually value sustainability, and 60% of the customers, they are willing to change their purchasing habit in order to support environment. So the management of this company decided to modify their work strategy into main three domains: sustainable business platform domain, then the green and smart workforce, and the human-centric environment. So first one is sustainable business platform. It is responsible for forming a collaborations and creating a value chain networks across different layers in the supply chain network. So here artificial intelligence is used to find out anomalies within manufacturing process. Then the green and smart workforce, it is responsible for forming a symbiosis in between smart technology and sustainable practices. this company successfully decreased its greenhouse gas emissions by 10% in the solid waste recycle. A quantity of total 520 tons of solid waste, that is accounting for 70% of the overall solid waste production, was effectively recycled. Then the liquid waste processes a total of 9,000 metric tons of liquid waste, which is accounting for 90% of the total liquid waste generated underwent the process of reusing. Then the renewable energy consumptions, the total amount of conserved renewable energy is 1,72,095 gigajoules. Then the wastewater management, the quantity of discharged wastewater decreased by a significant spending of 33%. The next slide represents the comparisons in between traditional and sustainable practices. To get a deeper understanding about sustainability 4.0 practices, so sustainability 4.0 practices offers real-time solutions because of the use of smart technologies. Then waste management is more effective. Then the CO2 emission, it reduces CO2 emissions significantly. Then the degree of integration is higher compared to traditional practices, and information sharing is convenient and safe in case of sustainable 4.0 practices. So coming towards the conclusions part. So this paper is focuses on the role of smart technologies to obtain sustainable outcomes. So three major findings are obtained in this papers. That the first is economic sustainability 4.0. It put forward many ways to minimize energy and improve validation practices in order to achieve profitability in the organization. Then the second, social sustainability 4.0. It involves management in between people and the resources in order to obtain employee satisfactions, overall well-being of the company, and the fair allocations of the resources. Then the environmental sustainability 4.0 is finding a right balance in between elevated rate of consumption and finite natural resources, and again then adaptations of natural environmental friendly practices for the productions. And the manufacturing jobs that has smart technology decreases greenhouse gas emissions, solid and liquid waste generations, it conserves energy and manages wastewater efficiently. So next are the references. That's it.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. You are from IIMT?
IIST, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. IIST, Trivandrum. Yes. First. Yes.
Indian Institute of Space Science.
Trivandrum.
Yes, sir.
Environmental sustainability 4.0.
Yes.
So can you go to the slide where you show supply chain? The first figure 1 is a traditional supply chain, which is open science, open technology, and the open room supply chain. What is a closed room supply chain?
Open supply chain shipping covers reverse logistics also, that is missing in this part.
You know closed room supply chain?
Yes, sir.
From figure 2, where we call it sustainable supply chain. How it is different from the closed room supply chain?
Okay, so here we are more focusing on.
Could you get my question?
Yes, sir.
Sustainable open room supply chain. The second one we call it as sustainable supply chain. So how this is different from the closed room supply chain?
So as we can see, this is open loop, traditional one, and closed loop like product and information flow. That here it is from supplier to consumers.
The easiest thing is to connect the article with the article. That becomes a closed. The same thing is there in sustainable supply
But
chain.
here, sir, we are more
So
focusing
how
on
many
the,
different?
so here we are focusing more on the triple bottom electrode, whereas in closed loop supply chains we are focusing on the product and information flow in a reverse way.
Must be market and say that it reduces it mitigates, you say it mitigates the carbon footprint. That is giving completely mitigate the carbon footprint using smart technology.
Yes, sir, it is possible. Through literature review, I have found this framework and
This smart technology doesn't make use of traditional factories.
traditional. So,
When you use smart manufacturing, smart technology, it gets rid of your traditional factories. Is it so? How that is possible that you completely mitigate the carbon footprint?
it will take some time, sir.
It
I'm
can
not.
reduce the definitely,
Yes, sir.
but doesn't completely mitigate the.
Not completely, sir.
And similarly, you told about the greenhouse emissions.
Yes, sir.
Government policies, Government of India,
Okay.
which promote the help in adopting smart technology.
One of the example is Niti Aayog committee. Niti Aayog.
Position, here is the point, the NP, any policy that promote sustainable technology.
Gati Shakti.
Okay. Everybody,
I have a question.
Yes.
Here you talked about societal marketing. Can you just highlight a little more about it?
Okay, so basically societal marketing is like different customers, they are having a diverse requirement and organizations are having different scope. So finding the right balance, and while that is about societal marketing, but in that process the organizations should also consider its impact on the triple bottom line. So balancing the goal of organizations with the diverse requirement of the customers, and while considering its impact on the triple bottom line is all about societal marketing.
Keeping in mind the sustainability that is Industry 4.0, what is the main aim of societal marketing?
So, Industry 4.0.
Okay, just in simple language,
Yeah.
societal marketing should target customers' needs or
Yes.
customers' demands.
Yes, yes,
Either or. Should it target needs or demands of the customers?
demands.
Okay. Last question. So sustainability practices you discussed
Yes.
and the outcomes.
Huh.
That you discussed about data mining and waste management. So my question is, this Industry 4.0, is it completely successful in these practices, data mining or waste management? Although sustainability, we are trying to implement it, we are
Yes.
trying to implement Industry 4.0 in these practices, but is it successful completely?
Not completely, but yes, benefits are there.
You have done successful reduction in this area.
Yes.
What is the outcome in terms of percentage? How much it is successful?
So these organizations, like they are able to improve their organizational profit by 40%.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to say thank you to IIMT, the whole team of IIMT for organizing this wonderful sections and giving me this opportunity to present my work. Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. I would love to thank you, our guests. Thank you so much, sir, for coming down to our campus in Kandabada and giving your precious time to all of us. we will wind up this session, and before that we'll have our lunch. So I'll request everybody to come down for the lunch session. Thank you so much.